You will quickly learn how to recover deleted photos, okay, on your iPhone in easy steps. Let's just get right into it. First is to tap on the Photos app. Look at mine here. As the Photos app opens, tap on Collections. But please note, my phone is running iOS 26 at this point in time, so the interface may look different from your own if it's not on the latest iOS version. So let me tap on Collections for us to continue. On tapping on Collections, scroll down on the page. You will get to where you have Utilities section. And under the utilities, you have recently deleted. Tap on that. On tapping on that, tap on View Album. Put your face on lock. Alright, this has shown the file that which is photo that was recently deleted from this iPhone. Tap on Select. Then on tapping on Select, tap on the photo you want to recover. And in this case, it's just one, so I will tap on it. You can see it has been selected. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. On tapping on the three dots, select Recover. Then it says Recover Photo, tap on Recover Photo again. And this has been moved to the Photos app fully. So I'll tap on the arrow that points back. Then I'll tap on Library. And look at the photo I just restored. There's a product displayed here. It's one of the products I sell on my store. You can make a purchase of it by clicking on it. You'll be taken to the store. Once you order, it will be shipped to your location. All right, so no stress. Okay, so if you get there, you will still see other products that I sell. You can make your choice from there. Thank you and see you some other time.